What's up, everybody? My name is Tex, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be talking about the top 10 reasons why your stream sucks. Yes, that is right. You heard it here first. Your stream blows. So does mine. But hey, there's a reason for it. There's always some kind of excuse, always some kind of reason. But I'm here to tell you what that reason is. Here are the top 10, that's 11, 10 reasons why your stream does not get anybody in it. Now, before we start listing reasons real quick, I want you all to know that these reasons go for people who want to take streaming seriously, who want to turn it into something to where they can make money or maybe get famous off of, whatever you want to call it. If you want to take streaming seriously, these are the top 10 reasons why you're not getting nowhere in your life right now. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I'm sorry that that's happening. That's why we are here to try to help you fix it. Reason 1, your content freaking blows, okay? It's horrible. Now, let's say you start up your stream. Your whole plan is to play Fortnite, or to play Warzone, or to play whatever the crap you play, okay? Understandable. You love that game. You want to play it. Play it. But the thing is that nobody wants to sit there and watch you play a game that either A, they can be playing themselves, B, they can go watch someone who's a professional in that game, such as Ninja, Tim the Tatman, Shroud. They could be watching those guys play the same games as you are. So don't just sit there in a little camera box with no kind of overlays, no nothing, and expect people to want to watch you. You need to bring something new to the plate. Yeah, you know what streamers say all the time? Don't be something you're not. Don't pretend that you're someone you're not. You don't want to be lying to your viewers. And that's okay. I get that up to a point. If you want to take streaming seriously, it is your job to entertain your viewers. I'm not saying be fake, but I'm saying be entertaining. When you're just sitting there like this, playing with your controller, that's not doing nothing for anybody. Try to be lively. Try to talk loud just a little bit. You don't want to, blow your viewers' ears out. Try to make a play on your game a lot more fun than what it has to be, even if it means dying. Reason 2, your networking is trash. And this is all stuff that you hear from everybody. You need to network. Who the fuck even knows what they mean when they say you need a network? Tell you right now, it's so many things. Social media marketing, it's content marketing, and it's self-marketing. Those are the 3 ways to network. So don't just post on Twitter, hey guys, I'm going live. No. What you want to do is you want to upload some short videos. Maybe upload something funny that happened today that you just so happen to get on camera. Maybe upload some funny clips from your last stream to Twitter. Socialize on these social platforms. Twitter is a streamer's best friend, much like dog and man. Use Twitter to its full extent. Don't just post that you're going live, because quite frankly, nobody cares. Other things to consider when you're networking is joining big communities and getting known there. I'm not talking about just having to chat, but getting yourself known within that community. That may bring in some more people to your stream, as well as making videos on YouTube like I'm doing right now. The whole point is make content, put it on multiple platforms. It will work in the long run. It won't happen overnight. Reason 3, your bedroom looks like trash. Your background? A joke. Here's the whole thing behind reason 3. You see many streamers who stream in their living room, in their closets, or whatever the case is, and instead of buying a green screen to cancel out their background, they just let whatever's going on in the background happen. And I'm sorry, but within the first 30 seconds of someone joining your stream, they look at one thing, and that is your camera. If you have one. If you don't, then it's whatever's on your screen. Within the first 30 seconds of joining, they notice your face. They notice your background. And if it's not enticing, then guess what? That's less of a chance of them staying. I'm not saying it's the full reason why, but it does help to keep a clean background. So please, 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 clean up your bed. Clean up your bedroom. Don't let good old mom walk behind you. Make a background or use a green screen. It's simple. Reason 4, your chat is dead. Now, when people come into my stream, my chat's popping, and it doesn't necessarily mean other people talking. I'm talking about I put out commands whenever I see someone coming through. I don't spam them by no means, but I have a chat bot. That's what I'm trying to say here. You need to have some kind of chat bot, something to help you manage your chat. Make it interesting. Put in gambling, put in mini games, something. Just if you got 1 or 2 people, you want to keep them entertained during the downtime of your stream. Like let's say you're loading or you're waiting to drop out of that big flying bus that makes no sense. Keep them entertained. And one of the ways you can do that is with a chat bot. There are a ton of chat bots out there to choose from. Reason 5, your stream isn't clear. I go to people's stream all day, every day, and I sit there and I listen because a lot of people DM me saying, what am I doing wrong? Nobody wants to watch my stream. I can't see it. It's pixelated. You need to tweak your settings, either get better hardware or better internet connection, something. If people cannot clearly see your stream at least 720p clear, then it kind of makes people not want to stay. Yeah, they'll drop by, say hi, and say how you doing, hold a little 5-minute conversation, but do they actually stay the entire stream? That should be your goal, making people stay the whole stream. And quality of your stream plays a huge role. Huge role. Try to make it at least 720p. Reason 6. That's 6 for all you non-spanglers. The game you're playing is just, oh, come on. What I mean by that is I once had somebody tell me, Tex, I've been trying to take your advice into consideration, trying to use some of the tips and tricks you give me, and I'm still, like, people stop by and then they leave within 10 seconds after saying hi. What am I doing wrong? I told him, okay, let me go and check out your stream. Let me see what's up. So I go and check out his stream. His camera's on fleek. His overlay is on fleek. He's trying to make it entertaining. But the thing is that he's playing American Truck Simulator. Games like that are really hard to make entertaining. Because all it is driving cross country. Which I understand. I love the game. But I don't play it on stream. Because nobody wants to sit there and watch you drive a goddamn truck. What you need to be doing when you are playing these so-called boring games, such as Minecraft, American Truck Simulator, to me, Fortnite, because to me that's just downright boring. You need to bring something new to the table, and this is going to be a ever-going theme, okay? Something that's going to keep coming back to haunt you. You need to be unique. So you're playing American Truck Simulator. What you need is a cord hanging right above your head from your camera, okay? So every time you pull it, it plays a sound in stream. Whether you gotta pull it and press a hotkey and it blares off a horn or whatever the case is. Make it more entertaining when you play those boring games. Again, I love those games. Except for Fortnite. That's trash. But I love American Truck Simulator, Minecraft and all that. But nobody wants to watch it. Reason 7. Reason 7 is kind of like reason 6. The game you're playing, there's way too many people playing it. And incoming, there's a common theme here. You need to be unique. You know, you're playing Warzone, so is 300,000 other streamers out there playing Warzone, sitting at around 1 viewer. So you gotta battle pages and pages of streamers in order to get to the top, to get that, you know, that organic viewer from the browse page. Myself included, a lot of people don't believe that if you play these saturated games that you ain't gonna get nowhere, because you can play them and get somewhere. But the thing with that is that you have to lean more on your advertising techniques, your marketing techniques, as well as your overall stream, like the kind of content you put out while playing those saturated games, in order to keep people in or to bring new people in. So it does play a small role. Reason 8. That's a lot of fingers. I'm pretty sure we already said this, but we're going over it again. You're staring out into nothingness. That's right. You're not doing nothing on your camera. I'm not saying you got to be dancing all the time like me, looking like a dummy. What I'm saying is you need to be talking to your chat. Entertain your chat. God dang, it's like I'm repeating myself. Entertain your chat. Talk to them. Look into your camera while you are talking to them. It takes practice. It takes time to be able to do that without having to think about it. but it will come to you. Don't be staring off into the abyss thinking about what happened to Rose's diamond in the Titanic. Because guess what? That's boring, and nobody wants to see that. And we're down to the last 2 reasons. Reason 9, you're toxic, man. You're straight downright toxic. You, or maybe the people that's in voice chat with you, playing the games with you, they are raging over the games like crazy. Not too many people want to see that. Granted, it is funny up to a point. Like once I broke a keyboard over my head because a game pissed me off. That was comedy gold. But if you're doing that for your entire stream, you're doing something wrong. Don't be raging on stream non-stop. Don't be toxic. Don't be calling people out, calling them dumb, stupid, belittling people, because in the end, that's not good for you or your brand. And don't let the people that join you on stream do that either, because it sends the wrong image. We want to provide a positive image. And maybe, you know, your whole thing is edgy comedy. That's okay. Just find that line, all right? Find that line and don't cross it. We are down to our final reason, finally, and that's reason 10. This one ain't really that big, but it's there. Your Discord chat. Many streamers use Discord when they stream. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind is what their volume levels are versus yours. If there's 20 different people talking, like for example, I just hopped into a Discord voice chat and there was a party of 3 and I just started talking like a dumbass. You know, that's no bueno when someone is streaming, because when you got one too many voices being thrown out there, it's hard to differentiate your voice from their voice. And then it all just becomes one mumbled jumbled piece of crap. And it smells bad. That's it. That's our top 10 reasons why your stream sucks. I want to thank you all for watching this crappy video, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be more just like it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want for the next video, because I'm interested, and I will do just about anything for $20.